Hello, friends, and welcome to the Ken Verkam on Law Office Legal Podcast. In this edition, COVID-19, why it's important now to get your power of attorney, your will, and your living will done now. Let's say the COVID pandemic and the threat of serious illness should encourage conversations with your healthcare professionals and your family. Let's say much of the pandemic revolves around the spread of the virus, but people are staying at home, maintaining social distances, washing hands. I'd say, and you look at, hey, why didn't I do this last year or the year before? Well, people can still get their documents done now. They contact an attorney. I'd say in New Jersey, they contact Ken Verkammen's office. The attorney will email them a short questionnaire. And basically, you write down, okay, for your will, I'd say who's executor one, who's executor two, who gets your assets. Not too complicated. If there's minor children, I'd say who would have guardianship of the minor children. For the power of attorney, who's the number one person if you can't get around? Who's number two person if you can't get around? The United States surpassed all other countries in the number of COVID-19 cases. I'd say, so you'll also look at why didn't you get your living will advance directive done? Well, we can do that. So in your living will advance directive, basically you're picking a family member that if you're unconscious, you can't talk, what your wishes are, because most people basically say, hey, if there's no hope for me, I'm in a coma, irreversible condition. I don't want feeding tubes long periods of time. I don't want to be on artificial machines. So advance directives are legal documents that specify care preferences and a healthcare proxy in the time of serious illness. The proxy, also known as a healthcare agent, is the person you designate to make decisions for you if you become unable, to basically unable to talk. So advanced directives guide choices for doctors and caregivers if you're like terminally ill, seriously injured, in a coma, the late stages of dementia, or nearing the end of life. Let's see. So again, these are not easy topics, but what you don't want to really wait until someone's already in the hospital to get things done. So you want to have your documents signed. Let's say take care of your loved ones. That's what you want to do. Let's say and for if someone wants the documents done, well, in New Jersey, they contact Ken Verkammen's office, our website, njlaws.com, njlaws.com. There's a contact form. You email us your name, your cell phone, and say document. Then what we do is we email you a questionnaire, you fill it out, get it back to us, we prepare the documents. Not that complicated. Otherwise, call us 732-572-0500. Thank you. Good luck.